Artificial Intelligence Workshop conducted virtually for grades 3 to 6. Welcome to WiselyWise online workshop series. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution worldwide. It is already impacting all aspects of our daily lives. Learning AI early will give kids an edge to get ready for the AI future. WiselyWise has introduced online workshops for grades 3 to 6 to get them started in their AI learning journey. Here is a glimpse into our AI Star online workshop conducted for students of grades 3 to 6. The 3 days journey was designed to give them an exposure to creative computing, critical thinking, problem solving. Students also got an idea of mathematical and computational thinking. Before the journey started, all students were given access to the AI Star course on Wise Central, our AI education platform. We took the students on a space adventure with us to 3 planets. Here is a glimpse of all the learning, fun and games that followed. Day 1 was in Planet Scratchy. Millions of photos have already been preloaded into the machine. When someone tries to draw a shape, the machine starts guessing what the shape is from those millions of photos and keeps learning at the same time. You can experience how the students enjoyed using this tool. Learned applications of artificial intelligence. Learned to draw from scratch. Created their own racing game.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Day 2 was in Planet Spooky. Got to know about food by robot and artificial intelligence in daily life. Created ghost game from scratch. Gone through interesting quiz.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And day 3 was in Planet Freaky. Millions of words have already been inserted in this device. When this device asks to type associated word, and when you try to enter that word, then it starts guessing about that word from those millions of words. Got to know about translation of languages. And created their own translation project using Scratch. Learned the concept of machine learning and teach the machine about thumbs up and thumbs down words. In this 3 days journey, students were introduced to concepts in AI, ML, computer vision, NLP, and robotics. They also got exposure to sequence, fundamental coding blocks, and loops to create AI applications using Scratch. Finally, each student created their very own DPDs, capturing all the projects they completed in this space adventure with us. We are happy to share that by the end of the 3 days online workshop, all students were capable of creating advanced Scratch programs in artificial intelligence. Register your school to experience the artificial intelligence space.